How's it, everyone? Let's quickly have a look at what the price of Bitcoin done yesterday and where we are at currently. So looking at the 4-hour chart, I don't see that we are making any higher highs or much price movement. It did, however, hit the supply zone that I put in place yesterday, and then it bounced right off of that, came down, and then went down to this demand zone, checking if it can pick up some demand. If I look at the SMA, it does look bearish to me. It does look like this scenario can play out. This one over here, it was a little bit too narrow, but it could still be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could still get a 5 movement down here. That was a big impulsive sell on this level. Let's just check that, 65172. I think the most likely scenario, in my opinion, to play out could be this over here. It does look like Bitcoin wants to form that or the bullish one, whichever one it decides. We'll have to check over the next couple of days what Bitcoin does. There's not much I can say about this chart. Nothing much has really changed. Looks like it's just basically staying in this zone over here for now. But like I said, on the 4-hour, the SMA does look like it's gonna decline. So we might see some downward action today. Let's have a look at this. If that RSI bounces off of the 61 and then goes up, could retest this level, maybe form the W, do that, or we don't, and we just do that. That would be a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could bring us down back to this downtrend coming from the top. This is the big trend. You see, that's the uptrend. That's that one over there. Let me change this one's color. Let's have a look. So those would be, in my opinion, the main trends that we are looking at. That one there, that one there, and then these two. This one coming down. That would be the bearish. I mean, it's still bullish, but if it breaks this, it will become bearish. So that would be the bearish scenario, in my opinion. Let's have a look. I wanted to look on the smaller time frames to see what the RSI and the SMA is doing. Okay, we might. Let's have a look. I don't know. This is a lot of uncertainty. It's just, well, not uncertainty. It looks more like it's consolidating. It did break this uptrend, which does make this scenario more likely. So it will break it, come up, retest it. You see, there's the W. Fails, comes up, then retests it. So what we want is something like that maybe to happen. Then that would prove that we are going downish. Could be head and shoulders forming. Then a break below that could go down. I mean, over here, if it breaks up there, does that, comes up here, then we know we're back into bulls territory. Else for now, we're just consolidating we're just building up some supply for granddaddy Bitcoin. I mean that's all I can really see on the technical analysis. I mean, we'll have to watch and see what Bitcoin does over the next couple of days. I wouldn't be in a hurry to say that this is bearish. I wouldn't be in a hurry to say that this is immediately bullish. I do get the sense that people are waiting for something. Like I said, I'm not big on news. I don't really follow the news. I just stick to my levels, and I trust the levels that my bot gives me. Let me see if there's any movement on the bot today that I can mention. Let's have a look. 63,339, 63,339, 63,339, 63,339. I mean, like I said, this is just smooth. This territory that we are in is smooth territory. There's nothing major to even mention. I mean, once we get to 65, things will start heating up. I think that's why we saw this big resistance. That was people taking profits, most probably. I don't know, I'm guessing. I don't know. Let's have a look. 64 would be our nearest. Yeah, 64,400, that's my level. I love that level. I've seen that one so many times. 64,400. That one there. Let's make a small one. Just for now, just to check how far we are from that. So there, that level over there is, you see there, look how many times we've hit it. That is one of the, that's also an important level. You know, it's testing it and then retesting it, breaking it, so it will come back and retest it, maybe break it, then poof, shoot out of it, and then retest this. I would only become really bullish once we retest this line, the 65,172. Once we retest that, then I would become a little bit more bullish. 65,689. That's also, this is a confluence area over here. But mainly this 66,810. Then we know things are looking good. Let's add this one in. So that's that one there. Like I said, we'll break out, retest, and then break out. Maybe another retest, I'm not sure. We'll have to check. But those are my areas of interest. And then obviously a break below this pivot or this line, then we know we're testing. This is the new pivot that I mentioned. Let me just go back, make sure that's still the level. 63,170. Wow, that's changed. Going down again, but not much. Not much. I mean, but this is now the strong pivot point or support resistance point, in my opinion. Over here, I don't see this being true. I would like to see that, or at least a 50%. Yeah, that's about 50%. And then break back up, retest this, hopefully not a double top, and then come back down. But we know what our levels are. There are the levels right there. What else is there that's interesting? Nothing there is interesting. Still the same values, most probably. That's not changed. 195.25, 22. That's still the same as yesterday. Oh shit, that was a demand zone, not a supply zone. Was it that one? It's this one, yeah. What's a demand zone? Yeah, I mean that's about it that I can see on this chart for today. Those are our levels to watch for. Nothing much has happened. Put your chart on the 4 hours and then just check what it does. This does look like it wants to form that M, might break out. We'll have to check. I think that's about it. What I've got for today on Bitcoin. Please drop your comments or any other coins you want me to look at. My bot does do quite a lot of coins. It doesn't do VeChain. I still have to check why not. That's actually one of the coins I am interested in. So I'll have to check why it's not pulling that through. But as you can see, we've got so many coins. BNB is here. So it gives us all the demand zones, supply zones for BNB, the main zones. Where's this guy saying BNB will go? 635. Let's have a look. Oh, wrong one. But anyway. Wow. Jeez, when last did I look at this coin? Holy. Wow. Oh, look at that. That's the first leg. Okay. Anyway, I might have to pull this one also in and do some analysis on that, because this one's also got some potential for the future. I can check that. 342. Also a ton of buy decisions. Okay, I'll do a different video on BNB. Sorry, that I wasn't supposed to do it in this video, but it was quite interesting just to show. Thanks, guys. Check you guys later.